Yesterday now we talked about theoretical and experimental probability, and we said that the theoretical probability that it is if you have a sample space that has an n events, or I can say n possible outcomes, and there's an event A that occurs, and this event A that has an certain possible outcomes. So the theoretical probability will be the number of events over the number of all possible outcomes. Now, let's find here this one. What is the theoretical probability of getting a sum that is an odd number on one row of two standard number cubes? So I have now here two standard number cubes. Okay, like one, and there's another one. I want now to give me all or two numbers. If they are added, you get an odd number. The summation is odd. So it could be what? I want you to give me two numbers. If you added them, they will give me an odd.
5 plus 3.
Can say 1. I want them as, so I can say 1 plus 3. This is, sorry, 1 plus 2. So if you add them, you get a 3. 1 plus 2 is a 3. What also? So the first one, 1 and 2. The second one?
And 2 and 1.
1 and 4.
1 and 4. Yes, which is 5.
And teacher, 2 and 1.
One by one. Let's start with 1. 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4, 1 plus 6, which is 7. So 1 and 6. Let's now with 2. 2 plus what?
1.
2 plus 1, which is a 3. So 2 and 1. Don't forget,
2.
1 and 2, it's different than 2 and 1. Because 1 and 2, that's mean 1 from the first dice and 2 from the second dice. But 2 and 1, that's mean 2 from the first dice and 1 from the second dice. What also?
2 and 3.
2 and 3, which is 5, yeah. So I have 2 and 3. And also I have 3 and 2. I have also 4 and 1. 6 and 1.
And 2 and 5.
2 and
5.
4? No, 2 and 4
5.
is an even number.
5.
5, yeah. 2 and 5. And 5 and 2.
Teacher,
Yes.
1 plus 6 is 7, but he's asking about the number of cubes. It's only 6, so we can't, right?
No, I don't know. Two numbers from the cube to give you any odd number. Not an odd number from the number cubes here.
Okay.
Okay. What's also? What about 1 and 1? Sorry, 1 and wait. 6 and 5.
Yeah, it is 11.
Yeah.
6 and 5. And 5 and 6. Think about it. Allah help me. 4 and 3.
It was 4 and 5.
And teacher, 6 and 3.
4 and 3. 3 and
And
4.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. 5 and
6
4.
and 3. 6 and 3.
6 and 3. 3 and 6.
This can go on forever.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
No, well,
just,
these are.
okay.
So how many possible outcomes for getting an event of odd number? How many possible? Count them.
We will count them.
Yes. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So how many possible outcomes here for getting an odd number?
18 out of 36.
18. So the first step that here we have 18. So the numbers of event of getting an odd number will be 18. Now, how many possible outcomes we have? What is this for the sample
Six.
space? As we said yesterday, since we
36.
have two standard number cubes using the fundamental counter principle, 6 times 6, I have what? 36.
36. But teacher,
So,
why
what is the
we don't
probability
count
now of
them?
getting odd number?
It's
18
18 over 36.
over 36, or we can say it is half.
Teacher,
Yes.
why we didn't count them? Like the question that we saw yesterday about the tails and the heads, we count them. We didn't
For which
multiply
one?
them. When we saw about the trails and the heads, it was in number what? Yeah, it was number 8 in the practice.
Number 8. Okay, yes.
Yeah, this one, why we didn't multiply them? We count them.
Yeah, we add them, yes.
But about the cubes, we multiplied them.
Here, no, this is another one. Here I have, as I told you, if I have, like, how can I give you? Like if I told you that I choose 3 girls are have short hair and 7 girls are long hair. So how many girls are in the class?
10.
10. This is different than taking two classes as an example. I'm talking about the same class, so I will add the numbers.
Oh, like you mean because the heads and the tails are in the same coin.
Yes, the
So
same
we
coin.
will
The
count them.
class are coins.
Yeah, but for the cubes, no. Each one are different. This is a cube and this is a cube. So we multiply them.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
Yeah. Now, let's now do this example, this problem and solving here. In your book, page, I think 684 or something like this. Is it right? No, 685. Now, there's a jar contains 30 red. So there's a jar that has a marbles. 30 of them are red. 50 are blue. 20 are white. Okay? How many one are red? I have 30 red. And I have 50 blue. And I have 20 are white. You pick one marble from the jar at random. So here, when I told you randomly, that means that you closed your eyes, you put your hand in the jar, and you choose one ball. Find each theoretical probability of getting. What is the probability of getting red?
50.
Now, to solve like this here. Here now, the probability of getting red, that means I want to find m over n. How many marbles that they are red?
30.
As you see it, we have 30. Now,
30.
over. I'm looking at all the jar, all the sample
100.
space I have. So how many balls, how many marbles on the jam?
100.
I have 30 plus 50 plus 20. So I have the, 100 marbles.
100.
So I
this
said
is
30
question.
over
We
100.
multiply them. So we can multiply them because all of them are the same marbles. So we count them.
Sorry, can you repeat your question?
Like this one, they are all marbles, so we count them, not multiply them.
Yes, just multiply the way that if you have two marbles or two dices or 260 cube, here you have to
Okay.
multiply them to multiply the possible outcomes.
Okay.
Then here now, Now, why, see, Rose, why did I multiply them? Oh, يعني I will give you, here you can say, I can say a pair of 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, and 1, 6. يعني that's mean 1 from the first cube comes with 1 on the second cube, or with 2, or with 3, or with 4, or with 5, or with 6. So I have 6 choices. Then 2, يعني you make it like a 3, like this. 1, now this is from the first 6 cube. Then this one, it comes with 1, and with 2, and with 3, and with 4, and with 5, and with 6. And for the number 2, I have 6 choices also. And for 3, when you count all of them, you will find that there are 36 choices.
Yeah, okay, thank you, teacher.
Okay, you are welcome. If you try it, you will see that there are 36.
Okay.
Now, you are welcome. Now let's come here now. Probability of getting blue. That's mean also m over n. How many one are blue?
50.
50
50, yeah.
over 100. Because all poles here are 100, so I have them as 0.5. Or sometimes you can write it as multiplied by 100%, so it is 30%. Or you can say here 50%. The probability can be presented as decimals or as a percent, like you can say 100% or 47%, and so on. Let's now find the probability of getting not white.
It's 80, 50 plus
80
20.
over 100.
What's the meaning of not white? That's mean
Like-
I'm choosing red and blue. Red and blue. So it is the probability of getting red and plus, the probability of getting blue. So the meaning of this mean that's not white, that's mean I'm talking about red or blue. What's the probability of getting red? We solve it here. It is 0.3. And blue, we solved it before,
0.5.
which is 0.5. So the final answer is 0.8 or 800%. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Now, let's talk about now number 16, probability of getting red or blue. Now, the meaning of or in a probability, it's mean plus. So, probability of red or blue, please 1 minute. I'm sorry for the disturbance. So probability of red or blue, that's mean it is the probability of red plus probability of blue. So the meaning of or, it's meaning plus. What is the probability of getting red?
30.
30
and
over
blue
100.
50.
Plus blue,
50.
50 over
50
100.
over 100. If you add them, what did you get?
80 over 100.
80 over 100. Or you can say 0.8.
Which is 0.8 or
Yes, or 80%. Did you know how can I convert a decimal to a percent?
yeah, multiply it by 100.
By multiply by 100, exactly.
Teacher, question 15 and 16, they have the same answer because they're asking the same question in a different way, right?
Yeah, exactly. Not white, it's meaning red or blue. Do you have any question here?
No, teacher.
Now let's go to this one. Sorry.
Teacher, Ragad sent a chat.
Oh yeah, I see it. I saw now here. I'm chatting with her. Okay. Now here, there's a bag. Contains 36 red blocks. So I have here a bag that have 36 red blocks and 48 green, 22 yellow, and 19 purple. I read it as purple and I read it as purple. You pick one block from the bag at random. Find each theoretical probability. Now, before that, how many marbles I have?
120.
We have to add them. Is it right?
Yeah.
36 plus 48 plus 22 plus 19.
It's
8
100.
plus 2, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 plus 6, 25.
125.
Then 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Plus 1, 10. Plus 2, 12. So how many blocks we have now?
125.
125 blocks. Okay. This is the first step. Now, the probability of getting green. How many one are green?
36.
Yes.
48.
48.
48 over 125.
125. Exactly. Or you can distribute it, write it as a 38 over 4.4 percent.
And
Now,
it's equal 0.384.
yeah. Probability of getting purple.
19 over 125.
19 over 125. Exactly. Probability of not yellow.
That means green plus red plus purple.
Exactly. You can say it's a green plus red plus purple, or you can see also, you see, you can say also 1 minus yellow.
So
Okay.
it's 100.
You can say it's the probability of red and green and purple, or you can say it is 1 minus yellow. It's all of them except yellow. So we have two ways. We can say it's a probability of red plus green plus purple. Red, it is 36 over 125 plus 48 plus over 125 plus 19 over 125. Or
which is 103 over 25, 125.
so the final answer is it is 103 over 125. This is the first way, yes. The second way, as I told you yesterday, the probability of certain number, all the summation of all probabilities must be 1. So I say 1 minus the probability of yellow, which is 22 over 125. You can say as there's no space here, as subtracting a fraction from whole numbers. So I have to make them with the same denominator by multiplying by 125. So
Teacher, can you repeat this one again? Because my head is low and I can't hear it.
then at yellow,
Can you read the second way that we can solve it?
you mean I want me to solve the net yellow again?
The second way, yeah. Can you repeat
Yeah,
it?
okay, okay. Hello, okay, by now for the first way, is it clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now I will clear here. Now, probability of not yellow. Before that, I give you. I will think about an example like. Now, let's talk about a science materials. We know that we have physics, we have chemistry, and we have bio. Now, I want you to tell me, or please, all of you now, you have here 9 girls, okay? I want you to write on chat who are living or who liked physics. Only if you want to choose physics, don't choose chemistry and biology. Yani only I want you to choose one of them. Like you, I want you to attend only one class. So what did you prefer, physics, chemistry, or biology? Write on chat now, what did you prefer? Yeah, I'm waiting your answers. Here I make an theoretical and experimental. I want your answers. I'm waiting. يلا okay, chemistry, physics, chemistry, biology. Maya, Rose. Who also know? Didn't send the answer. Lema. I have Yara, Habiba, Sarah.
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes.
Teacher, I'm sorry, I can't write in the chat. I don't know what is happening to my net.
Which one you prefer to attend? Yes, Rose. Which one you prefer to attend?
Physics.
Sorry?
Physics.
I will not kill you because I'm physics teacher. Wallah, choose what you prefer. Okay, so chemistry.
No, really, I
have
like physics. I don't like chemistry or bio.
biology, like me. Okay. Chemistry, bio.
Although I cannot decide, I just chose what I love to study on my own.
Yeah, I love biology too.
So the probability of choosing physics 2/7. Chemistry, yeah,
3 over 7.
3/7. And biology
2/7.
2/7.
Two over
Okay.
seven.
Then after that, if you find some add the three probabilities, what did you get?
1.
You get 7/7, which is
Oh,
1.
yeah.
That means the summation of all probabilities are 1. So if I told you now, what is the summation of a girls that they didn't choose biology? You can tell me it is 5/7. Is it right? You tell me it is 5/7 by adding these two numbers, or you can subtract 1, which all of them are 1, or you can subtract 1 from 2/7. And also you can write it as 7/7, you will get the same answer. Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Why they are 1?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah. Now let's do the naziello. I give you an easier one. Now, naziello. Naziello, as I told you, it can be red, green, or purple, or it can be 1 minus yellow. Now you know why I said 1 minus yellow. Like 1 minus physics, biology. So I can say it is 1 minus the probability of yellow. 1 minus. Yellow, it's a 22 over 100. 25. Then here, as you see, we have a fraction that are subtracted from whole number. What I have to do, I have to keep them have the same denominator. Here we have 1 by multiply it by 125 by 125. So here we have 125 minus 22 over 125. If you subtract them, you will get also 103 over 125. Is it clear now?
Yeah, the same answer.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's now I want you to solve number 20, and I'm waiting your answers. Yeah, number 20. Green or yellow?
Done.
Okay, 1 minute and I'm come back. I'm waiting your answer. What's your answer?
It's 0.56 over 56%.
25 plus 22 over 25.
So it is. It is green. It's the probability of green plus yellow. How many one are green? 48 over 125. How many one are yellow?
22.
Over 125. If you add them, what did you get?
0.56 or 56%.
70 over 125.
70 over 125. Or you can write it as
0.56 or 56%.
0.56 or 56%. Thank you. Now, number 21. Yeah, also, I give you 1 minute. I want your answers. Number 21. Probability of yellow or not green?
I finished.
I cleared everything.
Can I solve it?
So 1 minute and I will come back. I'm sorry. What's your answer?
77 over 125.
61.6%.
Yeah, I got the same.
So okay, until I'm come back, who can write on the screen? Who can write on the screen? I want to solve it. Anyone to solve it?
Yeah, I can write.
Okay, Haneen, write solve number 21, and the others go work for 22. Yes, the correct answer is 77 over 125. Look at Haneen how to solve it. I'll come back.
I hope you guys will excuse my handwriting.
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
Haneen,
Yeah.
I think you should write 36 plus wait, 48 and like that. How you bring the 77 because sometimes I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, thank you, Haneen. It's 77 over 125.
Teacher, I finished this too.
Now number 20. Now, did you understand that?
Yeah,
Now number 22. What's the answer? Purple or not red?
it's 89 over 125, which is equal to 0.7.
Exactly. Thank you, Rose. Yalla, the others. I'm waiting your answer.
Yeah, I got the same too.
Thank you, Sansan.
Yeah, me too.
Now, purple or not red? How can I solve it?
The probability of getting purple and then plus the probability of getting green and yellow.
Yes. So it is purple, which is 19 over 125. Yellow, which is 22 over 125. And green, which is 48 over 125. If you add them, you get 89. So the answer here for 22, I have only 1 minute. as I told you, for number 22, here we said quickly 36, no, sorry, 48 plus 22 plus 19 over 125. That's mean yellow,
Which is 89.
green, and purple, which is 89 over 125. I have to stop here now.